Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display site statics with Bluehost widgets. So just tap on my Safari browser, and before you creating an account you will have to purchase the plan. So if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating the accurate account on Bluehost, so you will see that this. So one, log into your bluehost.com control panel. Then second, click on the website tab from the side navigation menu to the left. Third, under advanced tab, click manage under cpanel section. Fourth, scroll down and look for the metrics section and click the webalizer. So just tap on it, and after viewing website statics will give you great insight into your website and visitor, such as the unique and recurring number of visitors. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.